This episode is about how I planned a trip to Colorado and how I used AI to help me do it. When I started planning the trip, there were a lot of things to consider: the travel time, the activities we were going to do, how much time we were going to fill in the day, and energy levels. It wasn't overwhelming, but it was a lot to consider. I wanted the trip to feel enjoyable and spacious, not tightly scheduled or exhausting before it even started. I was looking for enough structure to feel grounded without planning every single moment. I used AI as a way to brainstorm, not just activities, but how I wanted the trip to feel. Some parts of the schedule were already fixed, so I needed help thinking around those while taking into account everybody's interests, energy levels, and their capabilities. Some things were already set: travel days, arrival times, and a few events. AI helped me to think about how to plan around those, including driving time, cost of things, and where it made sense to build in rest. What helped most was having a way to hold that big picture of activities, rest time, the logistics, the pace all at once. Instead of juggling everything in my head, I could look at the options and notice what felt realistic, what was supportive, and what just didn't work. I was so amazed at how easy the planning became and how usable the final plan was. The process moved quick, and I ended up with an itinerary that was clear, organized, and easy for everyone to review and actually use. Everyone had a great time on our trip. Now, across these episodes, I've been exploring what support can look like for me using AI. I was able to stay in charge and just let AI help me think things through. It was a way to create more space to make decisions that felt aligned with what was true for me. If you're curious how AI might support something specific in your life, feel free to put it in the comments. I'll look into making it into a future episode and walk through how I would approach it, or if I already did it, how I did approach it.